Sparks fly everywhere inside from our double barrel.